If you're applying to second-chance employers in Chicago and still not getting hired, this might be why. Most people misunderstand what second-chance hiring actually means, and that misunderstanding is costing them time, energy, and confidence. Let's clear it up. A second-chance employer is not a guarantee. It's a possibility. And knowing the difference changes how you apply, where you focus, and how you talk about your record. Today, we're walking through 10 employers and job pathways in Chicago that are commonly associated with second-chance hiring, and what that actually means in real life. You'll find supporting resources linked in the description. Before we get into the list, one quick clarification. Second-chance employer does not mean automatic hiring, ignoring background checks, or the same outcome for everyone. It usually means applications reviewed case by case, criminal history considered later in the process, decisions based on role, timing, and individual circumstances. This video is about realistic pathways, not false promises. 1. The Chicago Transit Authority operates a formal second chance program in partnership with workforce organizations. This program focuses on job readiness, paid work experience, connections to longer-term employment pathways. Not all CTA roles are available through this program, and participation typically happens through partner organizations. Still, it's one of the most structured second chance initiatives in the city. 2. Safer Foundation is not an employer, but it is one of Chicago's most established reentry workforce organizations. They work with employers across multiple industries and help participants prepare for employment, build job skills, connect with companies willing to review applicants case by case. For many people, Safer is a starting point, not the final job. 3. Jewel Osco operates grocery stores throughout Chicago. Retail and grocery roles such as stocking, warehouse support, overnight shifts are often cited by workforce partners and job seekers as potential second chance opportunities, depending on the position and background review. Hiring decisions remain role-specific. 4. Property management companies frequently hire for maintenance, groundskeeping, janitorial, unit turnover roles. These positions are often filled locally and reviewed case by case. Workforce partners often point to maintenance roles as a practical entry point for rebuilding work history. 5. Chicago is a major logistics hub. Warehouse and distribution roles are often discussed in second chance hiring because hiring cycles are frequent, demand fluctuates, reliability matters. Policies vary by employer and location, but logistics remains a common pathway referenced by reentry programs. 6. Manufacturing and production roles, including assembly and packaging, are often accessed through staffing agencies, workforce programs, direct hire. Employers in this space often emphasize attendance, safety, consistency. Background review practices vary by role. 7. Licensed healthcare roles have strict requirements. However, non-clinical support roles may be more flexible, depending on the position. These can include facilities support, food service, administrative assistance, patient transport. Hiring decisions depend on supervision level and role responsibilities. 8. Restaurants, hotels, and food service operations often hire locally, train on the job, prioritize attendance and performance. Many people with records find early employment here, especially with independently managed locations. 9. Chicago offers transitional employment programs designed specifically for returning residents. These programs provide temporary paid work, job coaching, pathways to permanent employment. They are not permanent jobs, but they are often critical stepping stones. 10. Here's the most important takeaway. Second chance hiring is rarely about one employer saying yes. It's about timing, preparation, support, applying strategically. A list doesn't replace preparation, but it reduces wasted effort. Felon-friendly jobs now exists to organize this information clearly, so people with records don't waste time applying blindly. We focus on clarity, not hype. If you're looking for Chicago-specific resources, job pathways, and guidance on applying strategically, The link is in the description. Second chance hiring isn't about guarantees, it's about opportunity, used wisely. If this video helped clarify where to focus your energy, share it with someone looking for work in Chicago. Clear information leads to better outcomes.